how to fix mute settings on tweets. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find or how to fix mute settings. So first thing all you need to do is go to tweets and go to your profile, and here guys you will find here this icon. Tap on it and you will find muted, and all you need to do is tap on it, and this is it guys. This is how you find muted accounts, and here you can unmute account just by tap on unmute. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next one.